Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is if your microphone is not working in Windows 11. In this video, let's fix this. The first method you can try is check sound settings. For this, you have to right click on this speaker icon, then click on this option sound settings. In this input option, make sure the correct microphone is selected, especially if you have multiple devices. So you can see this is my external USB microphone and this is my laptop inbuilt microphone. So I'm using this microphone right now. So select the correct microphone. The next thing is make sure the microphone is not muted. You can mute or unmute your microphone from here. And you can also increase your microphone volume from here. You can also test your microphone from here. I will show you how to do this. First, click on the microphone. You will see this option microphone test. So you can test your microphone from here. Now move on to the next method you can try. Enable microphone access. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon. Then click on this option settings. On the left side, click on this option privacy and security. After that, on the right side, scroll down. In this app permissions option, scroll down and then click on this option microphone. Now here, make sure this option is on, microphone access. Okay, make sure this option is on. Then make sure this option is also on, let apps access your microphone. So make sure this option is also on. After that, make sure this option is also on, let desktop apps access your microphone. So make sure this option is also on. And you can also manually enable or disable the microphone access for a particular application from here. Okay, so you can enable or disable the microphone access for a particular application. The next method you can try is update your microphone driver. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager, click on it. In this device manager option, click on this option audio inputs and outputs, expand this option. So this will show you your microphone driver. So right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically. So this will update your microphone driver, then click on close, cut this window and check. The next method you can try is uninstall your microphone driver. For this, do the same thing. Again, right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. Now click on this option audio input and outputs, expand this option. Then you have to right click on this microphone driver, then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. And after uninstalling this microphone driver, you have to restart your system and check. The next method you can try is restart Windows audio services. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this run option. After that, you have to type this command, then click on OK. So this will open Windows services like this. Now you have to restart Windows audio services. I will show you how to do this. Scroll down. First, restart this service Windows audio. So right click on it, then click on restart. Okay. After that, you have to restart this service Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right click on it, then click on restart. So you have to restart both the services one by one. After that, cut this window and check. The next method you can try is update your operating system. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on Windows Update. After that, click on this option check for updates. So you have to update your operating system. So these are the few methods you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.